Grade 4 and 5, English Home Language, Language Structures and Conventions, with me, Teacher Lizelle, Part 6 of 6. Disclaimer. The work to be done during this PowerPoint and video presentation covers the work for the language conventions and structures intended for Grade 4 and Grade 5 home language learners by Ms. Lizelle Wilkinson. All information is original content. If you have any questions, please ask your parents and or caregiver to send me an email at teacherlizelle@gmail.com, or you could send me a WhatsApp message on 079 751 2777. Syllables. There are 6 different rules when it comes to syllables. Rule number 1, one vowel sound per syllable. Rule 2, split at the double consonants. For instance, butter, then you split it with the 2 T's or so you have but and ter, butter. The same with battle, bat and till, battle. Rule number 3, split at compound words. So this means you must split the word in syllables or into parts where each of the word can stand on its own and still mean something. For instance, mailbox. It's a mailbox. It's where the postman puts the letters that go to mommy and daddy. He puts it in there. But mail can stand on its own because it means it's a letter, and box can also stand on its own. The same with dog, house. It's one thing, it's a house your dog lives in, but you can use dog as a separate word and house as a separate word. So therefore, we split it at the compound words. Then we have rule 4, split at VCCV, so vowel consonant or consonant vowel. So we split elbow at L, bow, and doctor, doctor. Rule number 5 is split at C or LE. So the consonant followed by LE. Turtle becomes turtle. Cradle becomes cradle, cradle. And then rule number 6, split prefix or suffix. Pre, view, kindness. Now rule 4, 5, and 6 you will only be using from grade 6 onwards. But rule 1, 2, and 3 we use in grade 4 and 5. Here are some more examples of syllables. Dog. Apple becomes apple. So we split it at the double consonant. Ladybug becomes lady-bug. And salamander becomes salamander. Salamander. Negative form. I am not. So not is what tells you that this sentence is negative. I am not hungry. I am not cold. When you speak of yourself and you use the word I, you always use am. You don't use is or are. You can't say I is hungry or I is not hungry. It does not sound right. So you always use am when you speak of yourself. I am not hungry. The next one is he, she, or it uses is not. So not tells us, oh, this sentence is going to be in negative form. But when we use a word like he, she, or it, we only use is because it is singular. He is one person. She is one person. It is one object. So therefore we use is. You cannot say he are not sleeping well. He is not sleeping well. She is not eating her dinner. It is not on the shelf where you said it would be, Mom. The next one is we, you, they. This is in plural, so it means it's more than one person. Then we use are. We are not going to the party. You are a naughty boy. They are late for school. So when it's a plural, in the amount of people, then we use are. Okay. Moving on, you can see that you can combine the word are with not, and it becomes an apostrophe and goes to aren't. They aren't coming to dinner. She, he, it, isn't. So is plus not gives you isn't. She isn't attending the party at the palace. Direct speech. Direct speech reports what someone has said or written by quoting their exact words in quotation marks. Amazing Man is here to save the day, declared Amazing Man. If you ever heard people that make videos on YouTube, when they quote someone that said something, they would say, quote, Amazing Man is here to save the day, end quote. And they will continue with their sentence. So they must always say the word quote and end quote when you speak, when you talk, when you say what the other person has said. When you write it down, you just use inverted commas. Fat, fatter, fattest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. This is degrees of comparison. Light, lighter, lightest. Fast, faster, fastest. Long, longer, longest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Tenses of the verbs. We have yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Yesterday, Sam played blocks. The action is done in the past, so it makes it past tense. Today, the children play. The action happens today or every day. Present tense. Tomorrow, she will play with her doll. The action will be done in the future or future tense. Idiomatic expressions. Two heads are better than one. It means that group work can work better than working on your own. I have been on cloud 9 all day. It means that you have been extremely happy. My dad blew his top. It means he became angry now. Our new car is a lemon. So it means that the new car has got mistakes or faults to it. There's something fishy here. Means something is not quite right. He is a fair weather friend. So he's just friends with you when he feels like it. The rest of the time, this guy is not friends with you. Okay, let's shoot the breeze. I want you to go and find out what this idiomatic expression means. Let's shoot the breeze. The next one, I should zip my lip now, means you should keep quiet. The next one, you'll have to be all ears today, means that you should listen very carefully of what's going to happen now. And the last one is, that guy is all washed up. I want you to go and find out for me what the idiomatic expressions are. That guy is all washed up, and let's just shoot the breeze. What do they mean? Coordinating conjunctions. A conjunction is a word that you use when you combine two sentences. My grade 5s of this year will remember that last year I taught you the boom, boom, click. So we go. So one idea plus another idea gives you one big idea. All right, so this is exactly what it is. But now conjunctions are superheroes. So we call them the fanboys because these are examples of conjunctions that you can use. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, or so. Fanboys. These words join words, phrases, and clauses. Remember, well done, guys. I hope you feel like a genius now. And then when we start on Monday with English, you'll know exactly what I am talking about.